Hi, I'm Claude Herrmann, manager of Fortius Fine Art Storage and Logistics. As you can see, for today's video, we've changed the scenery for the magnificent lobby of the Freeport. I would like to talk to you about our showrooms, which we use for presentations, for example, for sales. As we all know, artworks are safest when they're in their crate, stored in secure location, such as here at the Freeport. However, some situations require that we unpack them, for example, if their owners want to see them, or if we have to present them for a potential sale. In that situation, you can use one of the showrooms where we can present your artworks in the best possible conditions. This is obviously much less risky than shipping them to some other destination. Our showrooms feature the same security systems as our storage. And as our storage, they're climate conditioned to 21 degrees Celsius and 55% relative humidity. In addition, we've obviously installed a professional hanging system that allows us to show small pieces such as drawings, but also large-scale paintings, but also sculptures. On top of that, we use a museum-type lighting system, such as this, with LED light bulbs that really allows your artwork to shine in the best possible light. All the unpacking, installation, and lighting is done by our own staff, which have been professionally trained just for this task. To access our showrooms, you cross our magnificent lobby with a building-sized wall fresco by Portuguese artist Wills. To make your presentation as successful as possible, we also provide other services such as catering food and drinks or providing furniture for your meeting with a potential buyer. And all showrooms are also equipped with high-speed internet access, so remote viewers can log into your meeting or presentation. If a sale happens at the Freeport, Fortius handles all the formalities for a change of ownership in storage. And if the new owner wants to keep the artwork at the Freeport, then they can continue to benefit from a suspension of VAT and customs duties. If, however, they would prefer to remove the artwork and have it delivered to their place, then Fortius will handle the organization of the transport by truck or by plane, as well as all the necessary customs procedures. And as always, if you want to learn more, feel free to visit our website or schedule a call with me to discuss your specific requirements.